Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about the measurement of depth of ocean. Students, for the measurement of depth of ocean, reflection of sound phenomena is used. Okay? That is, let me write clearly, reflection of sound phenomena is used. So students, whenever you are going to see how the reflection of sound is seen, so you can see here the measurement of depth of ocean. Okay, how the depth of ocean is measured via the phenomena of reflection of sound. So students, reflection of sound is used in measuring the depth of ocean, and there is an instrument which is based on the principle to measure the depth. Sound signals are sent by submarines. Sound signals are sent by submarines from the surface of water, okay, and sound signals return after reflecting from the bottom of ocean, okay. In this way, time is recorded for the sound to reach the bottom and from there to the submarine. That is, a student, suppose, let me draw here in this page. Suppose this is the sea, this is the depth of the sea, and here is the submarine. So submarine will send signals. So let me change the color, it was not happening. Submarine will send the signals, okay, from the surface of water, that is from this region. Now sound signal return after reflecting from the bottom of the ocean. So from here, sound signal will be reflected from the bottom of the ocean. In this way, time is recorded for sound to reach the bottom, okay. And students, from here, that is from this point to this point, okay, the time is recorded. With the speed of sound in water, the depth of ocean can be calculated. So when we are going to know about the speed of sound in water, the depth of ocean can be calculated. And one more thing which you have to know is that ultrasonic wave source is used in modern depth measuring equipment. So the modern equipments which are made to measure the depth of the sea, ultrasonic wave source is used, okay. Now students, let us see few example. Like here you can see there is an example. A sound signal is sent by a submarine to the bottom of sea and is recorded back after 4 seconds. So here you can see that time taken to travel the sound is equal to 4 seconds. And if the speed of sound in water is 1500 meter per second, so suppose the speed of sound in water is 1500 meter per second, then calculate the depth of the sea. So we have to calculate the depth of the sea. So for calculating depth of the sea, firstly we know that distance traveled is equal to speed into time. So putting the values, that is, the speed of sound in water is 1500 meter per second and the time taken was 4 seconds. So putting these values, we will get 6000 meter, okay. So this was the total distance traveled. Now students, as we know, the sound was sent from the submarine to the bottom of the sea, and after that the sound was reflected. So here we have to take it as to and fro. So the distance is to and fro distance. So for this, the depth of the sea depth of the sea will be equal to half of total distance. So as the distance is 6000 meter, so its half will be its depth, that is 3000 meter. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Thank you, class.